Best Affordable Gaming Laptops in India, October 2024. If you're looking for the best affordable laptops for gaming from the premium category, featuring a plethora of compelling features including expanded storage, impressive speed, impeccable battery timings, and more, then you're at the perfect spot, as GadInsider has compiled a list of the best gaming laptops in India for October 2024. Defeat your contenders and rule the entire gaming realm with the purchase of high-end gaming laptops integrated with advanced technology without breaking the bank. Here are the best affordable laptops for gaming of October 2024. Asus Top Gaming A15. Asus Top Gaming A15 is certainly an ideal choice for all gaming enthusiasts that allows gamers to play their favorite superior quality games without any disruption. As it's incorporated with cutting-edge features that offer enhanced performance, it features an enlarged 15.6-inch screen that runs on Windows 11 Home OS. It's equipped with a 16GB DDR5 5600 MHz that supports up to 32GB storage and is priced at 60,999 rupees. Lenovo Smart Choice Ideapad Gaming 3 laptop. Add an extra layer of fun with the Lenovo Smart Choice Ideapad Gaming 3 laptop and enhance your gaming experience with it. It's a multifunctional gaming laptop that features an FHD IPS display along with a backlit keyboard to play in dark areas. It features an enlarged display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 1921 by 1080 pixel resolution, and more that smoothly runs and doubles up your fun. One of the best features is its built-in Alexa, which works over your voice commands, available for 43,990 rupees. Acer Nitro V gaming laptop. Acer Nitro V is another enlarged 15.6-inch gaming laptop with a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution, 512GB SSD, PCIe Gen 4, 16GB NVMe with expandable storage of up to 2 TB SSD. It ensures to deliver an enhanced speed because of impressive features, including its processor, as it houses an Intel Core i5 processor and is currently priced at 74,990 rupees. HP Victus gaming laptop. HP Victus is considered a top-notch laptop to buy in India that elevates your gaming experience, as it supports a few amazing features, including 16GB storage, 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution, 3200 MHz memory clock speed, and more. Priced at 57,990 rupees. It delivers an immersive gaming experience, also available in several tantalizing hues, and allows you to play different high-end games, including World of Warcraft, Minecraft, Warhammer 40,000, and more.